Kia Syros EV is officially here, and it starts at 13,49,000 rupees ex-showroom, running up to 19,99,000 for the fully loaded X-Line ER. That's actually a shade below the 14 to 20 lakh estimate everyone was expecting. Kia undercut the entry price. Bookings opened weeks ago on the promise of 526 kilometers of range and a segment-topping feature list. Today we find out if the price backs that up, variant by variant. Quick recap for anyone just catching up. The Syros EV comes in two battery flavors, a 42 kWh standard range pack good for 443 kilometers, and a bigger 51.4 kWh extended range pack stretching that to 526 kilometers, Kia's claimed best-in-class figure. Power climbs from 135 PS on the smaller battery to 171 PS on the bigger one, with DC fast charging topping up 10 to 80% in just 39 minutes. In short, this isn't a compliance EV, it's built to be a real daily driver. On looks, it keeps Kia's digital tiger face and star map LED lighting from the petrol Syros, riding on crystal-cut alloys that grow from 16 to 17 inches on the bigger battery trims. Inside, the highlight is a 30-inch Trinity panoramic display spanning the instrument cluster and infotainment, with higher trims adding a dual-pane sunroof, 64-color ambient lighting, and leatherette seats on the top two variants. It's the same cabin that impressed us at Unveil, nothing's changed there. Safety-wise, every variant gets a 25-point high safety package with 6 airbags and electronic stability control as standard. But Level 2 ADAS, with 16 autonomous safety features including smart cruise control and a 360-degree camera, stays locked to the range-topping X-Line ER alone, same as at Unveil. Kia Connect 2.0 brings over 95 connected features free for 3 years across the lineup, with the X-Line ER alone adding a digital key and vehicle-to-load power sharing. Here's the full ladder. The standard range trims start at 13,49,000 for the base HTK, stepping up to 14,99,000 for HTK Plus and 15,99,000 for HTX, all still on the smaller battery. Cross into extended range, and HTK Plus ER opens at 16,99,000, with HTX ER at 17,99,000. The biggest single jump comes at HTX Plus ER at 19,49,000, before the range-topping X-Line ER tops out at 19,99,000. If even the entry price feels steep, Kia's battery as a service option drops it to just 7,99,000 rupees, charging 3.3 rupees per kilometer for the battery separately. So how does that stack up? At the entry point, 13,49,000 undercuts Mahindra's XUV 3XO EV, which starts at 13,89,000, and Kia's claiming a noticeably bigger battery and higher certified range for less money. It's well above Punch EV, which starts under 10 lakh rupees, but that's a smaller car in a different bracket. The closer fight is Nexon EV, spanning 12,49,000 to 17,69,000, meaning Nexon's own top trim actually undercuts every extended range Syros variant. Kia's betting that the bigger battery, faster charging, and longer feature list justify paying more at the top end. If we're picking one, HTX at 15,99,000 is the value sweet spot, sunroof, cruise control, and a rear camera, without paying for a bigger battery most daily commutes won't need. If range anxiety is real for you, HTX Plus ER at 19,49,000 gets the bigger battery and the fully loaded interior for just 50,000 rupees less than the range-topping X-Line ER, which only makes sense if you specifically want Level 2 ADAS, the digital key, and vehicle-to-load. For most buyers, that's a narrow want list to pay a premium for. That's the Kia Syros EV, now fully official. Bookings remain open, deliveries start July 30th, and at this price point it's shaping up to be one of the most feature-packed electric SUVs you can buy in India today. Which variant are you eyeing, a value pick or the fully loaded X-Line ER? Let me know in the comments and subscribe for more first look and price breakdown videos like this one.